want to try to get as many as possible and just have a dance party in the center of town.
Oh no, dude.
Let's fucking that they're singing as well.
Do you accept my
I hope
bid?
you feel better, Ash, by the way.
Yes.
This is boogieing, bro.
One of us.
Boogieing.
I have this bit.
And if
I
you would
love-
like to boogie with us, it's the toggle right next to the dance toggle.
Can't believe Aethers will get invaded by the dancing
We're about to boogie down.
lizard man.
Howdy, Zeus.
We're about to have a dance party in the middle of town. Want to join us?
Fuck yeah, let's start for a sec. I'll have to dip out, but I'll jump in.
Are we gonna
It
run
happened for like a
Nexus over
minute.
there?
That's why I was like, I'll
Yes.
come. Fuck it. I can't
Alright.
let this opportunity phase away.
All right, now
Sitting down in the
Before-
street.
before
Yeah, I got it.
everybody be sure.
Oh my
that,
god.
Yes.
Oh no, here we go, dude.
All right, everybody, just be sure that. Just be sure that your Dancy friend toggle is on, the one that has the 2 dragons.
Waits for
And
Uh-huh.
yep, I am technically the main. So once I hit the Dancy button, everybody
We all
should
dance
be
together.
able to move as
Does this?
as soon as I do this.
Oh fuck, that's perfect.
Okay, you said Dancy friend?
Yeah, Dancy friend. Yeah, yeah.
As long as it's toggled on, you should sync with us.
Nope, not that one.
You hit the wrong one. The one. Yeah, there you go.
Perfect. Just leave it on.
That way, only one of us has the music on.
Wow.
That's perfect.
Don't worry, bro. I'm still streaming too. We about to get this shit.
Yeah, same.
Customize it however you want. I'm going.
Oh.
In the Sam hell did I just spawn into?
Don't worry.
Bro,
You're
fuck
gonna
it.
respond into
Skinny.
the greatest
God.
bit that Aether will see. All right.
I'm gonna just. I'm just gonna go. I'm gonna hit the Nexus and just stand there
me
so that like
join.
8 dragons can
Let
just
me
run
join.
past me.
Everybody ready? Everybody ready?
Yeah, yeah.
I'm ready.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you would, there's a little bit of rigmarole if you want to join this. You need to make sure that Dancy Friends is enabled so that you sync your dance with us. But aside from that, everybody to the Nexus.
Yes, yes.
Oh no. Here we go. Oh no.
Yeah, it's
Where do we
all-
go?
Wait, Andre, before we go in, are we walking?
Yes.
Okay.
What do we
Well,
sound like?
I'm about
You
to put the most
don't need
goofiest
to.
ass
You
voice.
don't need to, but just be goofy as shit.
I'm about to put the goofiest fucking voice on, dude.
Okay. Let's get it, gamer.
Yeah, I'm ready. Yeah, I'm ready for this shit.
I can't wait for this shit.
Bark, 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 bark. Chicken, chicken, bark, bark. Chicken, bark. Nah, nah. Jimmy. 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 Idiot. Gamer. Did I like turtles? Yeah! Oh! 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 Boogie, the boogie, 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 boogie.
I was advised not to touch those. So
Boogie, 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 boogie. Boogie, boogie, boogie. Boogie, boogie, boogie. Boogie.
Fist bump, little fella.
Boogie, boogie, boogie. Boogie, 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 boogie. Boogie, 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 boogie. Hey, hey, hey.
Boogie line!
Boogie. 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 Boogie line. Boogie line. Boogie. Boogie line. Boogie line.
Check out my moves.
Boogie.
I can't tell. Are they dancing around my?
Boogie.
Let's get him.
Boogie, boogie. Boogie.
Okay, fine, don't boogie!
Okay.
Boogie.
I guess they don't want to boogie with us, so we're gonna boogie out of here.
Boogie. Boogie line. Boogie line. My guard. My guard. Boogie line. Boogie line. Boogie line.
Breaking down!
Boogie line.
Boogie blob!
Boogie blob.
Boogie blob!
Boogie woogie. Boogie woogie. A boogie.
Boogie in, boogie out!
Boogie in. Boogie out. Boogie. We're boogieing. Boogie.
Wait. Okay, hold the boogie! Hold the boogie!